Hey our friends, today we're going to draw a treasure chest folding surprise.
Yeah, when it's closed, the chest will be closed. And then when you open it, you can see all the
Gold.
Yeah, golden treasure.
Yep.
We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies, paper, and
Something to color with.
yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
First, let's fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge. When you get it all lined up on each of the corners, crease it down the middle and then out to the sides. Then we're going to fold it again. We're going to take the top flap, line it up with the top edge, and then crease that down also. Then let's flip over our paper and repeat that same step. We're going to take the top flap, line it up, and fold it down. This is just a guide fold, so we're going to unfold it and flatten it out again, and then we can flip our paper back over. When we're all done, our paper should open up like this. Next, let's put a piece of scratch paper underneath our drawing paper. This will just protect our table while we're drawing with markers. And it doesn't have to be red. I just like red because it matches our table. Now we're ready to draw. We're using our Art for Kids Hub black marker, but you can use whatever you have. You could use a different black marker or even something completely different like a colored pencil or even a crayon. Let's start by drawing the treasure chest all closed up. We're going to draw the outside shape. So first, let's draw the top of the chest. I'm going to draw a big line or a long line up here at the top. Yeah. Then we're going to draw the side of the chest coming down on each side. I'm going to draw it a little closer to the bottom of the paper too, so that the bottom of the chest is bigger than the top. Nice. Then we can connect the bottom of these two lines together. We should have a big square or rectangle shape. Then we can draw all of the details. I'm first going to draw a line that's on top of the fold, and if you want, you could also draw another line below the fold. That way, when you open it up, you can still see a line down here and also up top. Yeah. Okay, now let's draw the details. I'm first going to draw the little latch right here. Let's draw an upside down kind of U shape right here. Let's also add a lock. So first, let's draw a small rectangle shape right below that other detail. Then we're going to draw the lock right below it. So let's draw a line like this. Then we'll draw the letter U for the bottom of the lock. And then we can also draw the keyhole. I'm going to draw a little circle and then a line down. Then let's draw the top of the lock going into the little latch. So I'm going to draw a curve that comes up and also on the other side down. Then we're going to make it a little thicker and add another one right next to it. Oh, that looks really cool. Okay, now let's draw the latch that's behind the lock. So I'm going to draw a line that comes down and connects to the padlock. There's our latch. Now let's add more details to the chest. I'm going to start here, and we're going to draw a line that comes down. Then we can draw a little curve here in the corner if we want to add a little extra detail. Then we can draw a line coming across. Let's do that same thing. We can repeat it over here. We'll draw a line down, a little bump in the middle or the corner, and then draw a line coming across to the other side. Let's add a few more lines coming down. I'm going to draw two lines right here on the left and then also two lines over here on the right. Yeah, now let's add these same details down here at the bottom. I'm going to draw a little line that comes across like this. And then when I get to the corner, I'm going to add this little detail also. And then we're going to go all the way around. Watch, we're going to draw it coming down here. And then I'm going to draw it coming across to the other side, a little curve in the corner, come up, little curve in the corner, and then all the way to where we started. And it went kind of fast. So remember, you can always pause the video and even rewind if you need to see the step again. There you go. Let's add these lines also down here at the bottom. So I'm going to draw 2 more lines coming down on each side. Let's add handles on the side. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out like this, and then I'm going to draw the handle down below it. And then on the other side, we could do it a little different. Then it's slightly easier. We could draw the handle first, and then the little part that's keeping the handle connected to the chest. Yeah, we finished the outside of our treasure chest. Let's open it up, and we can flatten out the paper so it's easier to draw on. Now we're ready to draw the inside, the folding surprise part. And when we're doing this step, we want to make sure that we draw everything below the top fold, but also above the bottom fold.
Okay.
That way, when it's all closed up, everything's hidden. So let's draw the gold and the treasure inside of our chest. And we can draw all kinds of stuff. I'm first going to draw a bumpy line for the gold. And we're going to draw a bunch of gold. I'm going to draw it coming up really high like this. And don't worry about making it look exactly like mine. You can change it. And then also, let's add even more things. What else should we add?
A crown.
Oh yeah, let's do it. We could add it maybe right here on top of the gold. I'm going to add 2 lines coming out this way. And then we can draw a zigzag line to connect. And then let's also add gems or jewels on our crown. I'm going to draw little circles going across. Oh, we could also even draw a sword. I'm going to draw 2 lines coming out further. This looks like more treasure than what would fit in there if you had it all closed up. So there's the top of our sword. Then I'm going to draw a line or this is the blade. Then we're going to draw the top or the handle. We're going to connect it like this. And then I'm going to draw kind of a crazy line. I'm going to curve around like this, go over to the other side, and then connect in. Yeah, we could also add more details if we want. I'm going to add a little letter V, and then let's draw the handle coming up further. So draw 2 more lines. And then we can connect those. I'm going to draw diagonal lines going this way. And then we can also add, maybe there's a jewel at the end of the sword. Oh, let's add even more jewels. I'm going to draw maybe, or this could even be a coin. I'm going to draw a square shape. We can also draw more circles. Some of these could be coins and some of them could be jewels. You could also draw coins flying off of the treasure. I'm going to draw them coming out like this. Let's also add some pearls. I'm going to draw circles that are connected together, and then I'm going to loop around and then come back up to the other side. Oh, this could also be, maybe it's got a big jewel at the bottom. Now we could connect the lid down to the bottom, but it's pretty far. So let's just draw it short up here at the top. So maybe it was exploded off the top. We had to blow it up to get to the treasure.
Yes.
So I'm going to draw those 2 lines coming in, and then we're going to draw a line across to connect. And then let's draw that same shape but smaller inside of the bigger shape to make it look more 3D. And then we could also add little hinges too. Maybe this is what got exploded so that we could get the lid off. And we did it, Jack. We finished drawing our treasure chest. Except we're not completely done.
We still need to color it.
Yeah, this is my favorite part. We are going to fast forward, so remember at the very end, you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
Jack, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our treasure chest, and I especially love yours.
I like yours too.
Thanks. All right, let's show our friends the inside.
Okay.
On the count of 3.
1, 2,
2, 3.
Don't take my booty!
Didn't know what you were gonna say. That's my booty, my treasure chest, and my gold. That's what pirates call it, right? Booty?
Yep, booty.
I like all of the extra things that you've added to your drawing. I had to add them too. We added a pirate skull and also
Some crabs.
some crabs and more flying treasure.
Yeah.
I think it looks awesome. You guys can pause the video and even add more things to the inside of your folding surprise. Maybe there's an actual pirate behind the treasure.
That would be really cool.
Or you could even draw explosion or an ocean and an island. We used our Art for Kids Hub markers and we used a lot of colors. And the colors that we used were 33 yellow for the gold. Then we used 103 brown and 24 orange I used for shading. Then we used a dark brown 92 for the texture on the wood and also underneath the lid. Then we used 15 red and also 59 green and
15 red and 66 blue.
yeah. Oh, I also used the light gray for the skull and down here, and that's CG1. Oh, and also CG5 for the sword.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing the treasure chest.
We do, and we hope you take extra time to add even more things to the inside. And we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.